सबके दिल में नेशनल पावर या कह सकते हैं एक पैट्रियोटिक पावर है, लेकिन जैसी बात करते हैं डिफेंस सर्विस में जाने की, मैं आज यहां पर यही पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्यों यूथ फौज में भर्ती नहीं होना चाहता, डिफेंस सर्विसेज का हिस्सा क्यों नहीं बनना चाहता?
सक्सेस यहां है, आप वहां भाग रहे हैं पूरी जान लगाकर पागलों की तरह, तभी सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं। सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? एक सही डायरेक्शन, सबसे पहले मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। मतलब कि जिस डायरेक्शन में हम भाग रहे हैं पहले हमको उसको समझना है कि हम सही डायरेक्शन में भी भाग रहे हैं या इसलिए भाग रहे हैं क्योंकि सब
I joined this organization for the adventure part of it, the action part of it, which I am getting, and I keep striving to get it more and more.
Life in the army has been one great learning experience.
It's very challenging, it is very difficult. Somebody has to do it, and I'm glad that I'm doing this job.
The Indian Army, I don't know how many of you know, is facing a terrible shortage of officers. We don't have shortage in men. Men we have, but officers we are facing a terrible shortage. A lot of people have started equating material jobs. You know, you make much more money if you go and do an IM and yes, you don't join the army for money. Know this, that in the forces, there is no way I can give a bonus to a soldier who has done exceedingly well or cut the salary. There is no material tool. There is nothing. You have to lead with pure leadership, and no other career can teach you that. There is no career in this world where you will lead as a 22, 23-year-old captain. You will have 200 men whose lives you will hold in your hands. You can be the president of any place, but you will not be able to take men into battle who will follow you because you are their leader, who lay down their life for you. That's never going to happen. You can pay as much of money as you want. You can give. We have to take men into battle without ESOP, pay hikes, employee of the month. Now that's a form of leadership which no organization can teach you. No organization can teach you how to take men into certain depth. In that career, you will live every day. Every day that you walk this planet will be a day that you'll experience from the morning till evening as something that you'll nourish. You'll truly live life when you see death.